Easter is a symbol of light and spring. This is why we decorate our homes with the cutest rabbits, make the brightest Easter eggs, and prepare the sweetest treats for Easter rabbits. Watch the best holiday ideas in our new video to celebrate Easter nicely. Instagram is full of spring. Flowers, butterflies, birds, rabbits, and decorated eggs are everywhere. Wait, is Easter actually around the corner? Then we immediately need to decorate our home for the holiday. There are cute things on the mantelpiece. These are bright flowers, a rabbit, candles of spring colors. But something is definitely missing. I call my friend and point at the empty space. We need to come up with something right now. She is nowhere to be found. Has she gone to catch a real Easter rabbit? Put a piece of fake fur right side down. Fold polyester filling and wrap it up in the fake fur. Hot glue the four ends. Cut a small tail out of white fur. Adhere. Draw oval paws on pink cardboard. Cut identical details out of light felt. Hot glue the felt to both sides of the cardboard. Cut pads and heels out of the cardboard and attach them to the paw. Hot glue the paws to the body. Stick a toothpick into the fur. Fasten the rabbit to a flower pot. Stick the toothpick into soil. Wrap the pot with gift wrapping paper. Meanwhile, Emma plants the pink rabbit into a regular flower pot. It becomes festive at once. Such a cutie! I just want to take it out of the pot by his little soft paws so badly. Well, she's finally come. What kind of pretty thing is it? This flower pot is so sweet. A little pink inhabitant has settled in it. Who's that? Is it actually the Easter rabbit? Not at all. This is our friend who has come to celebrate the holiday with us. And she has brought a big chocolate egg with a surprise inside. Dip a balloon in water. Clean it nicely and turn it inside out. Wipe it off to remove the excess water. Melt confectionery chocolate. Let it cool down a bit. Blow the balloon and put a confectionery syringe in it. Fill the syringe with the warm chocolate mass. Rotate the balloon gradually to let the chocolate cover the entire balloon from the inside. Tie up the balloon and put it into a fridge. Take the balloon off carefully when the chocolate hardens. Dip a knife into hot water and make a small hole on top. Fill the chocolate egg with candies. I take the chocolate giant. Oops, there is something inside. A rainbow of candies is dropping out. What a surprise! And when there are no more candies, we get down to the chocolate shell. Oh, this is so yummy! We will need to go on a healthy diet till Christmas after such a sweet Easter. My friend has brought a pot with a carrot, and she asks me to bring a knife in order to cut this pot. Cut off the top of a muffin and put another identical muffin on top. Need orange sugar paste. Add a drop of brown food coloring. Roll it out thin. Cut a strip on one edge and put it on top. Wrap the sugar paste around the muffins so that you get a flower pot. Cut off the excess top of the muffin. Make a carrot out of the sugar paste. Make the texture of a real carrot with a wooden skewer and a knife, and make its color natural. Paint the carrot with food coloring. Stick a few sprigs of dill in it. Cut a hole in the muffin and stick in the carrot. Crumble a chocolate muffin to make it look like soil. It looks like a picture. First of all, my friend takes out the carrot and gives it to me, and then she easily cuts the pot with its content. It's an Easter miracle. It turns out that we have a delicious muffin instead of soil, and the carrot is made out of the sugar paste. Easter is always about nicely colored eggs, but why use ordinary paint when you can do a creative decor using glitter? Crack an egg and separate the white from the yolk. Beat the white to make foam and dip a boiled egg in it. Put food glitter of different colors onto a plate in stripes. Roll the egg in the beaten white over the glitter carefully. Add more glitter on top. Put the shining eggs into a festive box. Roll the eggs in sprinkles in the same way. I give a stunning egg to my friend. We've got awesome and sparkly Easter egg designs. The only thing left to do is to check who will be the strongest in breaking the eggs. The winner is Emma and her disco egg. My friend makes something weird when I bring her my lovely rabbits on the sticks. Take it. Take Oreo cookies out of the package. Put wooden sticks inside. Melt white confectionery chocolate and dip the cookies in it completely. Make a rabbit tail out of the chocolate and pink sprinkles. Now, make paws. Shape the chocolate into voluminous drops. When the paws harden, draw pads and heels on them using pink confectionery glaze or colored chocolate. When the paws dry, attach them to the cookies with the chocolate. Decorate wooden sticks with pink bows. It seems that Emma has already seen a similar rabbit somewhere. It looks like the flower pot embellishment, but these rabbits are edible because there are cookies inside. And when we have eaten the cookies to our heart's content, we can come up with an interior design. Stick the rabbit tails into a colorful cup filled with sugar or confectionery chocolate. They complement our fluffy rabbit exhibition on the mantelpiece nicely. I wonder why my friend needs feathers. Is she going to make a swallow costume for Easter? No, Emma's decorating a nest with cute quail eggs. Take chocolate shaped like quail eggs. Melt white confectionery chocolate. Dip a clean brush in it. Flick off the chocolate onto the eggs. Melt black confectionery chocolate for white eggs. Flick off in the same way. Coil twine and hot glue it to make a basket. Decorate it with feathers and put in the eggs. These quail chocolate eggs would be a great gift and may serve as a pretty table decoration. Besides, they are tasty. You may cook a healthy and delicious breakfast with an Easter egg. Soft-boiled chocolate egg. Take the wrapper off a Kinder Surprise. Put it on a paper holder. Break the top and remove the toy. Put white soft cheese dessert in it. It will be an egg white. Put some yellow jam on top to look like a yolk. We've got ginger jam. You may cook a festive breakfast version of a regular boiled egg. The soft cheese with jam in a chocolate Easter package. Enjoy your meal! I try to guess in which hand my friend is hiding a present for me. False! The present is in the other hand. And I get a creative Easter egg. Paint a lip balm shaped like an egg in light turquoise. Define white edges on top. Make brown dots with brown paint and a toothpick. Make it look like a thrush egg. Flick off brown paint using a toothbrush. There's lip balm hidden in this Easter egg. It makes your lips shine not only on holidays, but on any other spring day. Did you like our Easter decoration ideas? Then write in your comments which delicious decor you will make for your nearest and dearest. Will you make quail chocolate eggs, plant a sweet carrot in a pot, or share a big chocolate egg with your friends? And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss fresh holiday design ideas.